CW17 and 1010XL are teaming up to bring you everything you need to know about sports. It's 1010 at 10, sponsored by TWS Jacksonville. Experience a career in as little as 7 months.
Hey, it's Donna Murphy with your 1010 at 10 local sports update, brought to you by Roland Reach Plumbing, your Jacksonville, Florida plumber. The Jaguars have released a limited number of build your own 4-game half packs for just $40 per seat per game. Now, the half pack offers fans the opportunity to purchase the same seat for at least 4 2013 Jaguar home games at Everbank Field. Fans are being given the chance to create their own half-season schedule. You can purchase half packs by calling the Jags ticket office at 633-2000. You can press option 2 or by visiting jaguars.com/halfpacks. And it was a former Crusader and current JU Dolphin that took home the prestigious Jacksonville Area Golf Association City Amateur Championship over the weekend. Junior Colin Monagle shot a closing round 73 to beat last year's champ by 2 strokes. Jacksonville Jaguar Josh Scobie even competed, and he finished the event just slightly over par. And Florida Gators linebacker Antonio Morrison has been arrested again. For the second time in 5 weeks, Morrison was arrested, this time for allegedly barking at a police dog and resisting arrest. The Gator linebacker will miss at least the first 2 games of the season after being suspended from the team on Sunday. Until next time, join Mike Dempsey and myself on 1010XL 92.5 FM tomorrow at 1 for The Mike Dempsey Show.
Lights, camera, sports. The 1010 at 10 is brought to you by Roland Reach Plumbing, where quality and experience count. They provide 24-hour-a-day, 7-day a week, no overtime charges on any service call. Call Roland Reach Plumbing, 260-7059.